Hi friends, this is Dr. Navaniit Mandhaani. I am here to give you some very special information about this Pawan Bhattad's logo launch. I have to share the idea behind this. The logo is, whenever we made any logo, there is some ideology behind it. So right now, whatever details possible, I am going to put into that. First of all, if you see the logo, you love it. I definitely know that fact. It is P and B. If you see properly, both things are combined together. For me, the name of the Pawan, when it starts with that, if you see the logo, that P for me, Pawan, and P is a powerful thing. And the B for Pawan Bhattad, it's a Bhattad, for me, it's a brain. So mainly the activity in which he is involved is the made of powerful brain, that is PB, but for us it is Pawan Bhattad. Second thing, if you see that logo properly, the left hand side P, there is no that particular arrow is given. So what it means, that is our left brain, which must be like your situation. When you come to the learning, you must be analytical, but that should be open. And after learning his all the experience, you become, if you see the curve of the P that is closed, it means you become creative. That is the purpose of this Pawan Bhattad's most of the work what he is doing. If you see that logo properly, there are two crossbar in that, and the color of crossbar is again important for me. When it comes to orange color, that is the base, which means the efforts taken by him are the orange color efforts, that is very actively he do that thing, and when you learn this, it become a beautiful thing, that is about the violet color. So this is all about the logo of Pawan Bhattad. I am very happy for this opportunity, and most importantly, this logo will work for lifetime. This logo will remember for everything, whatever Mr. Pawan Bhattad is going to do out of his seminar, his training and everything. Thanks a lot.